natural health for beginners.
Are you tired of using store-bought deodorants with harsh chemicals that may irritate your skin? Learn how to make a natural deodorant at home with exact quantities. This simple DIY video provides you with a step-by-step guide to create an effective, skin-friendly, and eco-friendly deodorant. Ingredients you'll need: baking soda, 2 tablespoons. Neutralizes odor by combating bacteria. Arrowroot powder or cornstarch, 4 tablespoons. Absorbs moisture and keeps you feeling fresh. Coconut oil, 3 tablespoons. Acts as a moisturizer and antibacterial agent. Shea butter, 2 tablespoons. Softens the skin and prevents dryness. Beeswax pellets, optional, 1 tablespoon. Helps solidify the deodorant for easier application. Essential oil of your choice, 10 to 15 drops. Adds a pleasant scent and provides antimicrobial benefits. Lavender, tea tree, or citrus are great options. Tools: double boiler or microwave-safe bowl for melting. Mixing bowl and spoon or spatula. Deodorant container or small jar for storage. Instructions: melt the base ingredients, combine the coconut oil, shea butter, and beeswax in a double boiler or a microwave-safe bowl. Heat gently until fully melted. Mix in the powders. Add the baking soda and arrowroot powder, stirring until the mixture is smooth and free of lumps. Add essential oils. Remove the mixture from the heat and let it cool slightly. Stir in your chosen essential oil. Pour and set. Pour the mixture into a deodorant container or small jar. Allow it to cool and solidify completely before use. Application: scoop out a small amount with your fingers, if in a jar, and gently rub it onto your underarms. If in a solid stick, use as you would regular deodorant. Benefits of natural deodorant: free from aluminum and synthetic fragrances. Reduces risk of skin irritation. Completely customizable to suit your preferences. Tips and tricks: if you have sensitive skin, reduce the baking soda slightly and increase the arrowroot powder. Store the deodorant in a cool place to prevent melting during warmer months. This video not only shows you the perfect recipe but also offers practical tips for long-lasting freshness using natural, non-toxic ingredients. Say goodbye to store-bought deodorants and hello to a healthier, more sustainable option. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more natural DIY tutorials.